1, 2, 3. Then for the kids, share air
Share,
split. Yeah,
yeah.
split type, right?
Share the fan.
Yeah, the motor.
Good morning, welcome back to the vlog. Well, it is an early one. We're getting ready to take Shanley to school, and then we will take you along for the ride to see the progress once again. We have to bring a tape measure and measure out for the beds, stuff like that. See, even though I can look at the plans, I want to see that the actuals are matching what's on plan, and see if there's any other adjustments in the build that need to be made. Anyways, beautiful morning as always in the Philippines, and we'll see you over at the property.
"2,000 years later."
Puppy pit stop. Even though he's just a year, still learning because he grew up in the kennel, spent most of his time there. Every morning we do this, come down this little street. We're a little early today, but I wait till like 7:15, 7:30. This is frickin' nut house down here. What's happening, Maximus? We're waiting for mommy. She went to get some pandesal. Gotta bring it out to the property, you know, eat a little snack. Except I'm missing my coffee. And my go-to place isn't open until like, yeah, Cups of Joy. It's not open until I don't know what time. Like 10:30, 11. And then the other one close to the house, they open up a little later too. You know, like that's the thing. These are coffee shops, you know. Coffee goes with morning time. You want to open up early. You don't want to open up for lunch, you know. Open up early because we need our coffee. Yeah, no police this morning. I guess they're taking a break. It was every morning for a while, and then not sure what happened. And there's the gym, NGL Hub. Love the sign, love the work. Lights up at night too. Yes, sir, and you can't forget the brew crew is up there too. They open up till 1 a.m. up top.
More than a week?
More than a week?
I did it more.
Malcolm, what's going on? Gotta get your butt in the gym, girl.
No, because no one's babysitting. Maximus and I did my...
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Yes, sir. Back out at the house, you can see the progress. One thing I wanted to mention is I was looking at my analytics. 95% of you are not subscribed, but you're watching. Guys, I put so much effort into editing these videos and so much time, and I do it all for the fun of it. And I mean, the least you could do is hit the subscribe button. It takes a couple seconds, it's free, and you know, it would help us out a lot, and it would be greatly appreciated. So that's the height of the walls. They're at the maximum over there, over here, and then we're gonna put the roof beam on next. Architects was just informing me. We'll take a walk around the house first, and then we'll go inside. Geraldine's already in there scoping out. Yes, sir. Max is getting kind of excited. Guess we're having issues with the water pump. Hey, hey, hey! Come on, stay out of that. I don't want them going through there. The windows here for the bathroom and the walk-in, I guess. Yes, sir. Coming along fast. Oh my gosh, such amazing progress. Okay, let's just take a walk inside. I'm gonna do a little tour in there and get the feel of the rooms here.
Kailangan to, Aaron, parang gusto mong padagdagan sweldo, no? Sinasabi niya nga, sir, eh. Sinasabi niya kahapon. Kasero, eh. There is the
Yes, sir.
piping.
Oh yeah, it's already in place, right on.
Not yet, it's
Oh.
already in place, but the depth is not yet finished.
Okay, still working on it. Cool.
Alright, second night. This afternoon, this long way will come back.
Oh, I guess somebody must be crashing here. Get a little bed, either that or for breaks or to stand on. The kids' bedrooms here. Yeah. There's going to be a bathroom in the middle of the two. It's going to be a nice little lounge area here, a couple windows, a little mountain view out the back. There will be a fence surrounding the property, so it may obstruct the view a bit, but they said we wanted to go for a 2-story, but yeah, the budget was just, we didn't have enough budget. Maid's room, shower, pantry. Kitchen. Little dining area here. Sliding door. Main entrance. And then it leads into a TV room. Right onto the back patio out here. Morning, sir. We're back out here. This over here is going to be the dirty kitchen and the laundry room on the other side. Yeah. Carolyn has a video explaining it all in Tagalog. For all you Filipinos, you'll be able to watch that. I put it, it's going to be in a reel, hers, and she did a quick walkthrough of the whole thing. It's this linen closet, right? Or no, this is a washroom. CR. Eh? Yes, yeah. Okay.
That's your office.
Yeah, my office.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put my desk against the window there, and yeah, some shelving over here. What's this here? This little nook? That's the pantry?
Pantry.
Yeah, a little pantry here. Awesome. And the master bedroom. Bed's gonna go on this side over here, and I wanted to measure that. Yeah, I don't.
The linen.
Linen closet, not the pantry.
Not the pantry.
Yeah. I guess there's no pantry, right? Or did we have a pantry
I think
beside
it's
the kitchen?
I think it's right here. Ah, there.
Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, I saw it now. I must have passed it quick.
The maid's room.
Yeah, right beside the maid's room. This is our bathroom in here. We're gonna do like a corner tub. Here, corner tub. And then the shower is gonna be on this side here. Morning. Hello. Walk-in closet over here. Toilet enclosed here. So. This could have been a little bit bigger, this window, but it's a little late now. Still have the nice view outside. The mountain over there. Well, that's a little mini tour, the update. And let me just get out of the way. The guys are trying to come through here to fix stuff. Now, Geraldine wanted to measure some stuff, so I'm gonna go grab her. We're gonna go measure? Yeah. How's Mr. doing? He pooped. Where did he poop? Oh, good. Pooped with the cow poop over there. Okay, let's go measure it up.
5 minutes later.
We got some biocobos over there. Put a little green netting fence around. Planted some trees. I see that too. Wow. It's nice. And I see the Korean flag. I wonder if the guy's Korean. The owner. Possibly. Why else would you fly the Korean flag? Oh, I love the mountains. They're just chiseled so nice.
Hopefully, end of this month, I will start roofing.
That'd be nice.
So that will be covered.
So what's the height from, like, say, the
From the
Top
top,
to the-
from the top of the roof beam.
yes?
That is from that top. That is already 2,800
Yeah.
plus the 2,900 from
Yeah.
the top plus the roof beam of 200. That is 3.10.
Oh.
Then from the top of the roof beam, we will go higher 1.8, 6 feet.
Oh wow! So it's going to be a quite high.
I hope
Yeah.
it's okay for you. 1.8 is too high. 6 feet.
6
Taller
feet?
than you are.
About there? Yeah, that's a good, because you know you got your grade, right?
Yeah.
Your angle is what angle we were using? 45 or a 30 or a 40?
No, I think it is about 40, about 40.
About 40. Yeah, that's good. It's good for the typhoon too. 40. And is the ground level coming up anymore?
No.
It's staying where it is here.
This is the ground level. We have this finished floor already.
Yeah.
Where is he
I have
now?
established it already.
Oh, see?
Everything.
Yeah.
You're not moving now.
Will the land slope away from the house a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I will arrange it.
You're gonna angle like slope away so the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
The water there in the laundry area will not go on the septic tank.
That's
It
good.
will go on the drain to daylight
All right.
because we don't have enough space for the septic tank.
1 week later.
Well, the architect says the roof should be going up in about a week or so. They're almost done all the walls, working on the plumbing, and yeah, check it out. The mountain's looking really nice over there today. So sweet.
Ano, yung maliliit na split type mo, isang ano lang siya, tapos dalawang isa.
Yeah, check it out over here too.
Isang motor lang, tapos
You're like kicking up so much dust here. Holy smokes. Marking his territory. making more ties for the concrete.
Apat lang. Kasi yung nilagay kong ano, ito. Sabi ko, sobrang laki na ako ng ano, ng laki na ako ng load nito. Parang gano'n. Baka hindi na kayanin ng
Kasi yung ano ka, office niya, electric pa na lang daw siya.
Oh, pwede namang ano, pwede namang mag-ano siya ng ano. Sampuan.
Only for 1, 2, 3. Then for the kids, share air
Share,
split. Yeah,
yeah.
split type, right?
Share the fan.
Yeah, the motor.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I don't need one in the office. I'll just use a fan. Or
The request only.
Greg, would you mind checking this one, please?
what's this one?
Ano pala? Pahingi pala ulit ng ano ng kuryente mo ay yung
This is the what you have done.
the socket.
All the
Our
sockets.
power layout. This one are ACs.
Okay.
ACs.
So you can you can put only one here. We will disregard the other one. This one for the kids. This one for
What do you mean disregard the other one? Like,
here. Only one socket would be
For
will be
the aircon.
for
Oh.
the kids because there is only one motor.
outside, yeah.
Yeah.
The one going outside, so only
Yeah.
one socket's required.
Yeah,
Okay.
AC.
But the wall unit inside doesn't require any power?
No, this is a regular outlet.
Regular plugs.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go over them.
This is air conditioning outlet.
Okay.
Those are in air conditioning outlets.
Because, yeah, we thought
1,
that,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Yeah.
So I asked Madam a while ago, and she said 4 only. So I will delete the other 3 because it's very big now.
we'll do another walk around, see the height of the walls everywhere. Everything looks at full height from the outside. Oh, we got water pouring there. So let me get the dog so he doesn't go that way. Okay, now, yeah, because we got the pump, water pump again, the gas powered. So, let's see here. The guys, yeah, they're making more posts. That's good, eh? All right. Maximus, you're saying hi? Yes, sir. So where's this post for? This post. Doon. Yeah, I got that nice little water pump again. Yeah. See, so they're starting to put those across the top. Okay, I see what they're gonna do. And that makes sense. Do a little pour up there in case it. They build things so different. I can see the plumbing coming out of the bottom there. Guys are working hard, doing the mixing. Yes, sir. Morning. Yeah, you want to run wild and free. You want to run wild and free, but we got chickens and stuff over there. I'm sure the neighbor wouldn't appreciate you eating their chickens. Yeah. Wonder how the shitter's holding up here. Oh, looky, Mr. He's pissing on the shitter. You can't run all over, no, because I don't want you to take off. Too many smells here. You gotta stay around us. Oh, so what they put some lines up on the windows here. Okay, no, stay over here. Come on. Okay, Maximus, we're gonna have to tie you up somewhere because you're just want to run everywhere. Come here. Come here. This way. Especially the people going by on motorcycles and you're not aware. Can you keep them tight so I can do a walkthrough?
You're not calling your mom to show the house.
Can you just hold
Come here.
just hold on to them tight though. Don't let them run around and there's poop right there.
Come here.
Moments later.
What we're gonna do is take a little walk through the inside now. Oh, okay, they're flooding the inside here to get all the, make sure all the sand sinks down properly, compacts. The rough-ins. Office. Again, yeah, flooded in here. Yeah, they made the window a little bit bigger. That's better. Better like that. I mean, it would have been ideal to have one on this wall here too, but on the other corner of the tub, really, I don't know why we didn't do that, but I guess because the shower is going to come over with the glass, and you could still put another little window there. Little lines.
Ay, ikan na kati chinilas ni Corina Sanchez.
Nakamarap sa pichay, itang gawa niya mo na.
Mamimigay ako ng chinelas sa sambalay, sabi ni Corina. Adyaw! Puro size 11 lang yung
Any shout-outs?
Shout-outs!
Shout-outs?
Hello!
Hello, Black.
Hollow blocks, yeah. Yes, sir. Coming along, bringing it up to height. Yeah, we wanted to bring up some trees on the side, but I have to find the limitations. So many limitations in this world, but with regards to the height, and you're not supposed to have any trees under power lines, but where's the outer limits? You know, that'll be an easy search. Of course, because Geraldine went to the seminar, and the seminar they said, you know, listed out all those rules and regs. You know, we're far from here, so from this big tower, we can put some on this side. We just wanted to put some of those type of pines on this side over here, but that's kind of running, it's pretty close. But definitely back there, there's already some, so we can just you know, go with the natural flow of things and just fill in some extra areas. And you can kind of see with the other tower in the distance there, kind of like the corridor that they use. So, and I see a pine tree really close already. So if we follow that, go with the natural layout, we should be good. Lots of farming, corn's coming to height back there, and going to be ready. I don't know when actually to harvest the whole corn around here.
Ha? Umay na kilala sa amin. Bakit natapos lang ang usapan namin? Sige.
Maximus.
Sige, para matapos na ito. Naiinip na ako eh. Naka-1 na ako rito eh.
Yes, sir. Looking good.
Yeah.
Any shout-outs?
Pardon?
Any shout-outs, architect?
No, shout out.
Any shout-outs?
Shout out to my cousins.
Your cousins? Right on.
Who are working here.
Working hard, yeah.
Yeah.
Looks good. So we're starting to do the top, what do you call them? The top runners or now? Is that what they're called?
That is the beam.
The beams, the cross beams. Oh, and so that supports the roof and ties down the roof. You have a friend there.
He wants to water because he's
What?
drink water. Oh, drink. Ah, drink.
He just stepped in it?
He's just lick little bit.
Yeah, exactly. If he was loose, he would run right after the dog. And then we don't know where that dog lives. Just washed a truck yesterday, and guess what happens? It's already dusty. Doesn't take long.
Can you pour more water?
Most definitely. Yes, sir. Just gotta get a cover for the Osmo pocket tree here. Yes, so you don't damage the lenses.
Next time we're gonna put him in the cage. So tired watching this dog. He's starting chewing this one.
Oh, okay.